Wait, have I told you about?
If you're looking to build a quick and easy greenhouse, I would recommend building a hoop house out of PVC pipes. This only costs us about $150 and a few hours to put it all together.
How to build a greenhouse in 30 seconds. First, level the ground and set your foundation. Anchor the base and put your frame together. Add some lava rocks for volcanic effect. Now, turn off your brain and follow the instructions. LMAO. Love your plants.
I get a lot of questions on how I built this hoop house. Let's take a look. First thing I did was buy a hoop bender. Next thing is you need some pipe. Also need some lumber. And plastic. So the hoop bender you can buy online from a lot of different companies. They carry them. They'll send you instructions on how to bend the hoops. I have a little bit of experience with this because I've been in the landscape and nursery business for 30 years. And I've put up some hoop houses over the years. But it isn't too hard, believe me. It's pretty easy. The plastic is 6mm greenhouse UV resistant plastic. I bought that from Bootstrap Farms. I think they have the bender too. The pipes are top rail chain link fence that I got at Lowe's. My hoop house is 45 feet long by 14, I believe it was 13.5 or 14 wide, which makes up of 2 pipes in each hoop. Now, depending on how big you want to make it, you'll have to do the math on that. Then you'll need a little lumber on the outside along the bottom to tack the plastic to. And I'm in a cold climate when I get a lot of snow, so you see the support that I put down the middle just to help with snow load. I mean, maybe if you're in a warmer area where you don't get a lot of snow, you might not need that. And I run a small heater at night, a small propane heater. That probably cost me around $3 or so a night to run it, to keep it somewhat relatively warm in here. I mean, the coldest so far it's been in here has been 18 degrees. That's pretty cold. But these plants, like I say in other videos, it's the varieties that you pick that could withstand the cold. All right, I hope that helps you out. If you got any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Take it easy.